Alright, you guys. Yeah, we're currently in my room right now. Today we're gonna have what's supposed to be an exciting vlog. And I already know somebody gonna say something, but yes, that's a Hellcat on my wall right there. Basically, what we got going today is we going to my buddy Mikey's house. We're gonna be installing his headers on his car. So yeah, we're gonna have to see. But right now I'm pretty hungry, so we about to go get some food, get in the car, head out, all that good stuff. So see ya. Alright, so yeah, right now you guys, I'm headed to get something to eat. I'm trying to decide whether I want to eat Chick-fil-A or get some Popeyes. I don't know. Everybody, like all my friends and stuff, they know that I be at Chick-fil-A like 24/7. So yeah, they know I be at Chick-fil-A 24/7. So yeah, I'm not really sure which one I want to go to yet, but I'm just gonna head in that direction and see which one sounds or looks the best on the way there. We get some exhaust going real quick. But yeah, I'm really excited. Me and my boy Mikey, we both bought our headers at the same time. So like,
I was pulling on him.
See, I had faith in you the whole time, bro. I knew you would win. You didn't.
Still beat me though on that.
Alright, y'all, so right now I just got done talking to Mikey. He said he just raced his brother. He just got the new Mustang. I was trying to get them to wait so that I could see the race too, but they didn't want to do that. So yeah, but right now, more importantly, we going to Chick-fil-A. Everybody that know me know that Chick-fil-A is my spot. That's where I be at all the time. So if you want to find me, look at Chick-fil-A, bro. That's probably where I'm at.
Thank you for choosing Chick-fil-A. May I have the name for this order?
Yes, it's David D. I have a mobile order.
Oh, perfect. What's the name?
David D.
Oh, perfect. Tell me this sounds about right. A spicy deluxe American, just a large for a large sundae with Chick-fil-A sauce.
Yep.
Anything you'd like to change?
No, that'll be all.
Alright, it should be all set, so we'll see you at the window.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Alright, you guys, so we made it to our destination. We got Ant's new 5.0 right here. Got your boy Mikey getting his headers. Yo. What's going on?
What's up, David?
So you guys already got started?
Yeah, unfortunately. Because we can't get to this bolt in the back there, the screw in the back.
Do you need to take that off? Are you taking them out the top or the bottom?
Well, I gotta get this coil cover off.
Yeah.
And I don't have anything that'll fit in this little spot.
So as y'all probably already know, like I've raced him before a couple times, a little bit, and obviously with me having the 5th gen and he got a 6th gen, we know who wins stock. But he getting his headers put in right now. You know what I'm saying? And we got Ant right here with this Mustang. They've been talking smack. You know what I'm saying? So wait till I put these headers in and get my E85, bro. It's on. It's on, man. I'm gonna have to get y'all.
You're gonna need it.
Working on that. But yeah, man, we got this Camaro right here. They trying to put me up against the catfish Camaro, man. So what y'all think about that? Who will win? I genuinely don't know. I genuinely don't know. So they don't got no faith in me, y'all. So what you think, Mikey?
That body.
Yeah?
For sure.
All right, let's see.
With the old gear in it was debatable. With the new gear in there, I don't think so.
What gears do you got in there?
342.
342? So what you think about the race?
Well, if he's smoking you, I'm staying up with this car.
Well, here's the thing though. We never like legit race, but he did definitely fly past me like going 150 though.
You have an LS3, which is still a good.
Right? It's just untouched right now, that's all. So we got the man right here, bro. Getting the spark plugs out. So we left yesterday. I left off and it was he was still working on it. So right now he put the headers in. He said it's 5 times louder than my boy Nick. I don't know if that's possible, bro.
Well, it's a warm start, so it's not gonna be crazy.
I don't know if that's possible. Could we go for a ride?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm scared, bro. Oh my god, bro. There's no way. There's no way, bro. Dang! Nah, wait, we in the neighborhood though. Bro, oh my god, that sounds crazy. Yo, alright. We gotta get out of here, bro. Bro, this is crazy. It is no way it's that loud. Yo. Bro, there's no way it's that loud, bro. Oh, I ain't been in here in a minute. Dude, this thing is so loud, it's not even funny, bro.
Oh, I got an engine light now.
Yeah, you got the engine light.
Just came on. Can you go grab my wallet real quick?
Way too much air pressure coming through there.
Yeah.
So y'all, his car is so much louder than it was, bro. Now you just made me, my heart hurt when I heard that start up.
Dude, when I... Oh,
dang.
You're saying hearing it?
Yeah, bro.
Dude, no, when I started it up, it actually like made my heart like jump. Like
I bet, bro, because that sound is so amazing. Dude, that was the best.
The cold start was way louder than that.
Really?
Like,
it's a whole day too,
like,
so that's not even.
It was like triple that.
Is that the video you took?
Yeah. Dude,
the video sounded significantly louder, but it didn't do nothing compared to what it is in real life.
Dude, I was like, holy shit.
Jeez, bro. So Anna about to come with and get some outside videos. Say bye to the Woodley. It's quiet now. Bro, I'm scared, bro. This thing about to be stupid. Dang. Are you serious, bro? You're not even going nowhere.
That's 2,500 RPMs.
Bro, we not even going nowhere, bro. Oh my god. Mikey, bro.
Dude, it's fucking...
I'm ready to cry right now, dude.
I can tell the tune's a little messed up.
Bro, this is too crazy, bro. I might have to put a muffler on mine too if my stuff sounding like this. You not even going nowhere. This man didn't even hit 20 and we already screaming. even hit 4K, did you?
No, it was like 3,800.
Bro, oh my god, bro, this is crazy. Yeah, definitely gotta get a muffler on that boy. Yo, that was insane.
Ready to turn everybody's fucking head, bro.
Bro, this thing, yeah, they like, bro. Everybody's looking like, what the heck is going on? I'm scared for how loud this is about to be, y'all. This is about to be too crazy. Dude, this is stupid loud. The oh my god, bro. He's out too. Dang, bro. Buddy had to stop the bike when he saw that, bro. Yo, he took the seats out and everything. This man's not playing, bro. This sounds so crazy. I gotta get. Alright, you guys, so it is a little bit later now. It's about 4:57 p.m. Dude, you guys see how loud his car is, dude. His headers are insane, like absolutely insane. Right now I'm in the car wash. We getting ready to go to a car meet in Mokina, so yeah, we getting ready to do that. My thoughts on the headers, I don't even know what to say. It's literally just crazy, but I cannot wait until I get my headers. Like, his stuff is so loud to where, like, I don't even know. I don't got words to explain how loud that was, but I just cannot wait till I get my headers, honestly. So it's pretty hot in here, stuck in the car wash or whatever, but yeah, I will catch you guys once we get to the meet. So alright, y'all, we just pulled up to the meet. We got all the cars out. Look at this Camaro, man. Man, this look good, bro. This look crazy. Bro, that looks so menacing. So this right here look really good too, bro. The red hot, that looks so clean. So we got some right here, man. We got ZL1 going. His Roto Fab.
Baby.
And he put what baby that monster. Baby monster.
No, that's not a baby.
That look raw. That looks so raw.
When you go over the bridge here,
oh, he got
it's manual too.
So that throws
Anna's manual. Nice. There we go. This is what Mikey said. This is the next step, bro.
Bro, he's got long tubes on there.
He got the long tube.
Speed engineering with the red.
Yeah, bro. We all speed engineering family around here, bro. About to get another startup. This crazy 6th gen with the headers on there. Speed engineering. About to get his first official reaction.
I can't fit in your seat.
He got the seat up that far?
Huh?
That's you got the seat up that far?
Yeah, I like sitting close, alright?
I don't know, man.
We're like
oh my god, bro. Jeez, dude. Hold on, she about to tap that bad boy. You gotta tap it? Yeah. Yeah, it's Anna's Camaro. 1320 Anna. Oh snap, oh snap. Yeah, that's the, I think that's the owner right there. I think that's the owner. Dang, bro. Look, I'm telling you, you gotta.
You can feel it in your.
I know. You gotta let her take it around the block, bro.
Yeah.
Look at that, Sam. was done before my header video. So, and just so you guys know, I had a leak in my tire. I ran over a nail. So, yeah. Bought new tires past Friday that just happened. And basically, literally the same day I bought them, I ran over the nail, so I had to plug my tire, unfortunately. But long story short, it was super fun. Mikey put his headers on. The car sounds absolutely insane. It sounds ridiculous. It's really good. I'm super happy with it. He's super happy with it. Ever since we put our headers on, we just been making straight noise, bro. Like, I don't know, we low-key been terrorizing, so I know the whole world like low-key hate us right now. But yeah, it's been pretty fun. If you guys enjoyed this video, you enjoyed his headers and my headers, let me know down in the comments. I also did race his dad in the Catfish Camaro, so if you guys want us to get a rematch so we can actually record it this time, I'll do that. Let me know if you guys want to see that race. You know, we got to take it to Mexico, of course. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Let me know down in the comments, like I said, if you guys want to see that race. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want to keep seeing more vlogs. And I'm out.